Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to create capital.com broker account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then we're going to search for capital.com broker. Then we're going to click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. We're going to click on sign up next. Then they're going to ask us to insert our email address as well as password. You guys could also log in using your Google or Apple account, as there are icons below that. So once you're done, you're going to click on continue. So we're going to accept all cookies. Here you're going to write your residency and nationality, as well as your place of birth. Then you're going to click on the tiny box and click on continue. We're going to get started. Here you're going to insert your name and last name. Then click on continue. After that, you're going to insert your date of birth. Once you're done, you're going to click continue as well. Here you can write your residential address. They have their own address finder, so it's easy to use it. Then click on confirm. Here you can write your national insurance number, or you could skip it for later. Then we're going to verify our email. After that, you could insert your phone number or skip it for later. Then once you're done, we have created our own account. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.